Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to browse the internet without any array of harmful or malicious websites. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as SquareX. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see here add SquareX to Edge, so you can add it as a plugin also. So this is available for the Chrome web browser also, or you can use the web version of this application also. So here I'm gonna use the web version. So now it will ask you to create an account, so you can use your Google, Twitter, Microsoft, or you can create your new one using your respective email addresses. So I've already created an account, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly create an account if you does not have an account for this SquareX. So once you have created, just put your email address and click on continue. Now put the password and click on continue. So now you can see the various options under this application. So the first option you can see is a disposal browser, second option is a disposal file viewer, and the third option is a disposal email. So I'm gonna discuss each and every features this software gonna provide. So under the disposal browser, on the right side you can see some countries. So let's click on it. You can select the respective countries that is available right now here. So I'll just give it the respective country that is being selected by default, and now just click on the start. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will open a tab under the respective web browser. So you can see at the bottom a new tab has been created. Now you can open any website which may be a harmful or malicious website also. So just to give you an example, say I'm just typing a website. So it has opened the website. So if you doubt that this respective website is harmful or malicious, still you are safe using this SquareX. So you don't need to worry anything. And once you are done browsing the internet, then just close this tab, click on leave. Now you can see here the respective country you have selected. Just click on this cross button. Now it will immediately delete every data records that is being left behind. So nothing is left anymore once you have delete this option. So it's very handy if you're gonna browse any harmful or malicious websites or the unknown websites that you're going to visit. Then you can use the first option, that is a disposal browser option, and the second option you can see here is a disposal file viewer, right? So what it really means that whenever you suspect the files that you have downloaded is whether saved or not, then you can just use this second option. So just click on the start. Now you can see here, drag your documents, photos, music, videos, whatever files that you might find malicious, then you can just drag it here and you can just open it. So say, just to give you an example, say I have some images that I have downloaded from the respective websites or onlinely, then you can just drag it here and you can open it. So if it contains any malicious content inside the respective files also, still you are safe and your computer will not be harmed. So once you're done, you can just close this tab again. And now you can see here dispose. Just click on it. Every data history will be erased immediately. And the last option is the disposal email. You can put your own respective email, or you can just click on the inbox. So right now the email has been put by the respective website's links itself. So you can put your respective email address here and you can just use to click on the inbox. And if you receive any file in your inbox also and you find that that respective file may be some malicious files, then also it won't harm anything since it is being opened by this disposal email, and later on you can dispose it. So in my opinion, by using this SquareX, you can easily browse the internet without any array of harmful or malicious websites in any computer. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.